Okay, so today we're going to look at the Pennzoil oil filter number PZ-37 and the Ecogard oil filter number X4612. And I got both of these on Amazon.com. The Pennzoil costed $10.49 plus shipping, and the Ecogard costed $6.48 plus shipping. But you may be able to find these cheaper somewhere else. And these two are going to duke it out. Could get ugly, folks. And when the dust clears, we'll see who the winner is. So let's get started. This is set for, you got a really good silicone, be nice and tight. You got your inner here, filtration here. Okay, let's start with the Pennzoil. There's really nothing on the box for information, so we'll just open her up, see what she looks like. Date code 3/16/21. That's pretty easy. Look on here. Made in China. This is a sticker. She also has this plastic film covering over it. The base plate. If I can get this off. There it goes. Okay, what do we got here? 8 inlet holes. Yeah, it looks like a nitro rubber anti-drain back valve. See a bypass valve down below. Metal core with holes. Nitro gasket, which is on here pretty good. Yeah, that's on there really good, folks. I'm just going to leave it. It's on there good. Alright. Let's take a look at the Ecogard. The Ecogard shows you here what it replaces, and it actually replaces the Pennzoil PZ-37. Alright, let's open her up. See what she looks like. 100% leak tested. Another easy date code 1/2/20. Also made in China, with a film covering over the base plate. And she also has 8 inlet holes. Looks to be a nitro rubber anti-drain back valve. The nitro gasket comes out pretty easy. Bypass down below. Metal core with holes. Okay, let's compare these guys. A little bit different. Looks like bigger holes on the Ecogard. Ecogard on the right, Pennzoil on the left. And how about the threads? Oh yeah, the Ecogard looks like it has more threads also. The gaskets, they stick up about the same. The Pennzoil seems slightly taller. Like I said, we cut these guys open, see what they look like inside. Okay, let's start with the weights. Pennzoil weighs 200 grams. The Ecogard weighs 214 grams. Base plates. Pennzoil weighs 91 grams. The Ecogard weighs 110 grams. And I left the anti-drain back valves on here just to show you guys that both of these fit nice. Look at this. Yeah. Stay right on there. Cover up the holes nicely. You can see this one does the same. Yeah. The threads I would give to the Ecogard though, or they're pretty, actually now looking at them, they look pretty similar. So A little bigger inlet holes on the Ecogard. Ecogard on my left. But yeah, the threads are pretty equal there. Okay, filter elements. Pennzoil weighs 68 grams. The Ecogard weighs 53 grams. Let's start with the Pennzoil here. I counted 58 pleats, pretty evenly spaced. Metal crimp seam. And the micron rating is 97% at 20 microns. But I don't know what the filter media is. Feels good though. It feels pretty tough. Metal end caps, your bypass valve right here. Yeah, this material feels pretty good. Okay, how about the Ecogard? I counted 53 pleats, metal crimp seam. A little sloppy with the glue, but not too bad. Metal end caps, and also a bypass valve right here. And this is supposed to be, they say on the Amazon website, is 97%, it captures 97% contaminant. So at what micron rating, I don't know. But this filter media also feels pretty good. You know, it's not tearing or nothing, so it feels pretty good. Just a little less pleats. And let's look at the inside of them. The stamp leaf spring here. This is a strange design. It weighs 4 grams. And the Ecogard has a coil spring, which feels pretty easy to spring. It's pretty springy. Yeah. That weighs 8 grams. And what do the cans weigh? Pennzoil weighs 38 grams. Ecogard 41 grams. Let's get some measurements on these cans. .39 millimeters for the Pennzoil. That's not that thick. I don't think it's that thick either. Yeah, more like that. 0.51 millimeters for the Ecogard. It is a little thicker. I can feel it. It fits inside the other can. So it is a little bit wider. Ecogard's a little bit wider. Okay, how about the filter element here? Let's get a measurement. .63 inches for the Pennzoil. 1.18 inches for the Ecogard. Yeah, you can see a big difference here. I guess it would be a safe bet to say the Pennzoil is going to have more filter media. What do you guys think? I say we cut these guys open, stretch them out, and see how long they are. Okay, here they are stretched out. And the Pennzoil is 44.5 inches long, and the Ecogard is 48 inches long. They are zoomed out. Okay, and let's go to the seams and let's take some measurements. Got the Ecogard here. Ecogard is 0.71 millimeters thick, and the Pennzoil is 0.96 millimeters thick. Let's take a look at these guys up close. Yeah, you can see that the Pennzoil on my right is thicker. It actually looks and feels like a better filter media also. Let's look at the rest of the filter. Okay, you got your coil spring versus stamp leaf spring. And you know, I don't know what's up with this. It seems like they're trying to be a little cheap here, and but that's being too cheap. And I don't know, this doesn't look too good. It looks like it could flatten pretty easily. I don't like that design. That's a bad design if you ask me. They could have made this all the way around like the normal ones that you see. You know, the ones you normally see. Not like this. They just cut it out like that. For what? Is that to save some money on metal? I don't know. Anyways, the base plates, I give those guys a tie. They're both pretty good base plates. And the inner cores, you know, they're both heavy duty. They're strong. Obviously, the Pennzoil is bigger. That's the way it's made. You know what they did though? This one's a little bit narrower than the Pennzoil. I'll measure them. I'll show it to you, because that's why the filter meter is a little bit longer. You got 36.9 millimeters. Like I said, this one's gonna be a little narrower. 34.4 millimeters thick, or wide. I should say wide. So they got bigger pleats, so you end up with more filter media. But it still wasn't enough because of the height difference. In the cans, the Ecogard, I'd probably give it to the Ecogard because the Ecogard is thicker. But you know, both cans are pretty good. Which filter would you guys pick if you had to pick out of these two? Please post your comments down below. Well, I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget, Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care. The Pennzoil filter media weighs 12 grams. The Ecogard filter media weighs 6 grams.